Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. Today we are going to cook shrimp masala. Let's get started.
These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. For a full list of ingredients, please check the description box at the bottom of the video.
This is 1 pound of shrimps. I have put some salt and pepper and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and marinated it for about 2 hours. Minimum you can do for 1 hour. This is the horseradish we'll be using today. I'll cut a piece out of it and shred it. We'll shred this part of the horseradish. This is the shredded horseradish. We're going to use a cup out of this for the recipe. One thing I want to mention is we just bought a new KitchenAid grater. The cool thing about it is we get a cup with that, so when you shred anything, it goes right inside there, and whatever you want to use, you can use it, and the rest of the things you can store in the fridge. And this is the cover. And this fits snugly underneath the grater. These are 3 scallions we are going to use in our recipe. The top part I never use. I cut it out and take it away. And this is the grain part. These are the chopped scallions ready to go. Now I'll slice 3 cloves of garlic. This is the chopped garlic ready to go. Now we'll start cooking. First thing we'll put is half a cup of oil on high heat. The oil is now hot. I'll start cooking with 1 cup of shredded horseradish. We'll let it cook for about a couple of minutes and keep stirring. Some of the water will come out. Next, we'll put 3 cloves of garlic and keep stirring till the time you smell the garlic roasting. I can smell the garlic roasting now. Next, I'll put 1 cup of blanched tomato puree. We have to reduce the juices. Now, since the cooking is done on high heat, we keep stirring the ingredients so that they don't stick at the bottom. And at the same time, the juices are reduced. I can now see a little bit less water in this. So next we'll put 1 cup of coconut milk. Again, this is on high heat and we'll keep on reducing the water from this. And all the taste will blend with one another. Tomatoes and coconut milk. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of tamarind sauce. 1 tablespoon of coriander paste. And keep on mixing nicely. Blend it well. And let it reduce. It smells so good already. We'll put 1 tablespoon of homemade hot mustard. Now it's reducing quite a bit, so I'm going to start putting other ingredients. I'll put part of scallions now. I'm changing the temperature to medium. I'll put half a teaspoon of salt half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of mint, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili. Blend it well. As you can see, the masala is forming. This is blended well now. Now we'll add our shrimps. Mix it well and reduce the temperature to low. You can see nice masala here, and it will cook shrimps all infused with all the masala. The difference between curry and masala is nice and thick, curry has more watery consistency. Now this is all blended well. I'm going to cover it and leave it for 10 minutes on low heat. It's 10 minutes now, and I'm going to remove the lid. You can see the shrimp is all ready to go, and masala is ready to eat. This is the rice we cooked from before, and we'll top it with shrimp masala. We'll garnish it with scallions. This is our finished shrimp masala, ready to eat.
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so, and remember to hit the bell button so you're notified each and every time we post a new video, and remember to share this video with all of your friends.
Until next time.
Okay, now it's time for the family taste test, and we always begin with Mom. Dad, you want to do the honors?
Of course.
Smiling. Yeah. Mom likes it. She's got a big grin on her face.
I'll take my bite now. Just perfect. Just perfect.
Alright, I'm gonna join in the fun. My turn. Such good flavor. It has a spicy kick to it from the Kashmiri chili, but it's still so flavorful on top of the spiciness. It's so good.
Second bite for Mom.
There we go. Good job. Yep, she took the second bite. That means it's approved. Mom approved. So shrimp masala is definitely something worth trying in your home. This recipe is KG approved.
I hope to see you all enjoying it with your family.